Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The Parisian apartment makeover. Moody Florals in navy and cream. So you know that classic Parisian apartment look. The herringbone floors, the ornate moldings, the effortless chic? Imagine giving it a deliciously dark and romantic twist. That's exactly what we're doing today. We're diving headfirst into a world of moody floral wallpapers, where deep navy blues meet soft creams. This isn't about dainty, sweet blossoms. Think dramatic, oversized blooms that feel like a secret garden at midnight. It's a look that's both timeless and deeply personal, blending Parisian elegance with a dash of intrigue. Ready to see how it transforms every room? Let's take a tour. First impressions matter, right? Even from the street, you'd get a hint of the drama within. We'd keep the classic Haussmannian stone facade pristine, but maybe paint the front door a glossy, inky navy. For a tiny balcony or a Juliet window box, we'd skip the bright red geraniums. Instead, we'd plant creamy white hydrangeas or trailing ivy, offering a soft, monochrome hint of the floral theme inside. It's all about creating a sense of curated mystery, a promise of depth before you even step through the door. The moment you step inside, the mood is set. Here we'd go all in with a stunning large-scale navy and cream floral paper. Picture it wrapping the walls of a small entry, making it feel like an intimate, enveloping gallery. A simple gilded mirror leans against the wall to reflect light, and a dark wood console table holds just a single elegant vase. The classic parquet de Versailles floor grounds it all. This space whispers, "Welcome, the ordinary is left outside." This is where the magic really happens. We'd paper the main focal wall, perhaps behind a velvet sofa in a complementary cream or soft gray. The other walls stay a matte, deep charcoal or navy to let the florals sing without overwhelming. Plush, textural throws, a worn-in leather armchair, and brass accents add warmth. The key is balance. Those dramatic walls need calm, comfortable furniture. It's a room that says curl up with a novel, rather than watch the big game. For the bedroom, we want drama but also serenity. Applying the wallpaper just behind the headboard creates a dreamy, cocooning effect. Pair it with crisp cream linen bedding and layers of tactile wool blankets. Black iron bedside lamps with linen shades cast a soft pools of light glow. Keep the artwork minimal. The wallpaper is the star here. It transforms your sleeping space into a deeply personal, restful retreat that feels miles away from the city bustle. Dinner parties here would be unforgettable. Imagine a navy floral paper covering all four walls of an intimate dining nook. A substantial rustic oak table grounds the space, surrounded by mix-and-match chairs painted in glossy black. Overhead, a dramatic, cascading chandelier with crystal droplets adds necessary sparkle. At night, with candles lit, the room feels alive and buzzing. It's sophisticated, conversation-sparking, and far from a sterile modern box. Yes, even the kitchen. We'd use the wallpaper sparingly here. Maybe just on the wall of a petite breakfast nook or inside open shelving cabinets. Pair it with classic white subway tiles, dark navy cabinetry, and marble countertops in creamy Carrara. Utilitarian items like copper pots and wooden utensils become decor. It keeps the space functional and bright while injecting that signature romantic flair. Your morning coffee just got a major style upgrade. For the piece de resistance, let's be bold. A water-resistant version of our floral paper could line the walls of a petite bathroom, making it feel like a hidden spa. Combine it with a freestanding clawfoot tub, black faucetry, and fluffy cream towels stacked high. A simple framed print and a single fragrant candle are all you need. It's the ultimate luxury, turning a utilitarian space into a lush, immersive escape. Honestly, who wouldn't want to take a long bath here?